It's Christmas in July and you don't have to spend a fortune to decorate your home. I got these ornaments at a grab bag last year from Michael's, and of course they had it 3 of these for $4.99. I definitely not pay that. Oh my god, I was so happy when I got this box because I received so many beautiful items for Christmas. Unbelievable. I was super happy. Okay, enough of that conversation. Let's go ahead and take this khaki color and the ornament. I'm gonna go ahead and start distressing it. Now, once I distressed it, I thought I went overboard with the khaki color. So you're gonna see me going back and forth with the white chalk paint and trying to make it look lighter. In this section up here, I thought that I would do the metallic gold paint, which looks nice now, but for the theme that I had going on, I thought it was a little off. So later on, of course, I took the brown acrylic paint and I went over this one. This nativity set, I purchased it at Dollar Tree. I took antique wax, I watered it down, and I distressed all the pieces. And here I am painting this in brown. Please let me know in the comment section, do you think that this would look better in gold or the way I'm painting it now? Brown. I'm just trying to make sure that it's all uniform with the nativity set. So let me know in the comment section. In the meantime, I also came back and I am toning it down with a white chalk paint. I thought this was looking a little too dark, so this is what I'm doing. And now it's time to assemble this beautiful ornament. Now with some hot glue, I'm going to start gluing the nativity set. I also want to remind you that this is part of an open playlist, and you can find that playlist in my description box. Make sure that you visit this playlist for more inspiration. And I'm just continuing to build this nativity scene. This is so pretty, and for $125, I think it's a bargain. I also bought a little package of stars also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be taking one of them, and with hot glue I'm going to be gluing it right on top of here. This is going to be looking absolutely gorgeous once it's completely done. I also have my drill. I came in and I'm going to be making a hole right up here, and that's going to help us to hang it on the tree. And I have several ribbons to choose from, and I'm going to be creating a pretty bow. And now with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and glue this bow right up here. And I also have some greenery and some Christmas bells that I will also be adding to this beautiful piece. We are almost done with this beautiful ornament. Would you put this in a tree or in a door? And of course, I made this for my daughter, so I believe she's going to love it. For this next project, I'm going to also use another one of these big ornaments, but this one I'm going to be decoupaging. And look at this beautiful, oh my god, when I saw this at the Dollar Tree, actually I didn't find this at the Dollar Tree, I found this at Dollar General. I went on and I purchased 2 sets of these napkins. So I did the same thing. I added some Mod Podge, and then I came in with the tissue or the napkin and some parchment paper, and look. I sand off the excess. And then this bottom section here, because it looks kind of, I don't know, it looks weird, I'm gonna come back later on and I'm going to be painting it with red acrylic paint. But in the meantime, let me go ahead and create this pretty bowl, and I'm going to be using two type of ribbons. So I'm going to use some hot glue, and here it is. I'm going to place it right up here. And then we can go ahead and proceed and finish the bottom section by painting it with this acrylic red paint. And of course, I am going to be using these two shades of green, and I am going to try to finish those trees that look unfinished. You could tell that the napkin ended there, and I am not happy with it. I also added later on a little bit of black just to darken it out. Just keep watching, it'll all make sense. And then this is it. Look at how gorgeous this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you enjoy this one.
Me miras trabajar, something magic fills the air. Tus ojos brillan como el sol.
For our third project, I have this beautiful plate. I love decorating these plates. I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm just going to be placing some right here in the center of the plate. Once I apply the Mod Podge only in the center, I'm not going to wait until it dries. I have this beautiful napkin. I believe I purchased this napkin at Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. I've had it for a while now. I'm going to go ahead and cut only the big snowflake, but I'm going to go ahead and do it with a wet brush. And today's video is part of an open collaboration called DIY Inspiration, hosted by Loli from Loli D's Creation and Katie with Lady Red Crafting. Today's guest host is Funky Junk Inspiration with Christy. The links directly to their channels, you'll find that in my description box along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit them and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking to their channel. Now coming back to this project, I have placed the napkin right on top, pressed it down with my fingers, and giving it another coating of Mod Podge, just making sure that this stays in place and doesn't move. After waiting several hours, this is how it turned out. I'm going to be giving this plate 2 coats of my white chalk paint. Once that is completely dry, then I come in with some Mod Podge, making sure that I give it a nice coat to the entire piece, only to seal that in. And then of course, once everything was dry, I came in with this silver pen, and with it I'm going to paint the entire border, giving it that glamorous look. You could use this as a decorative piece, or if you have one of these lids, I pay 99 cents at Goodwill. You could use it to cover up any type of food or any type of dessert. And here is how I am displaying it. I hope you enjoy this one.
Something magic fills the air. Tus ojos brillan.
This project is really nice and easy. I went to a garage sale and I purchased several things, and this was one of them. This cost me 50 cents and I was so happy. I'm going to go ahead and give it a nice clean. And this tray, I'm going to start prepping it up. I'm going to leave it just as is, but I have some square wooden blocks from Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint them with the color gold, and I'm going to be creating 4 legs. Once all of them are completely dry, then I'm going to go ahead and proceed to glue them in place with some hot glue. So I'm keeping this really nice and simple. That's all I'm doing to the tray. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some Christmas items and these trees. These trees, I also purchased them at the same place, and this one was broken. Wah, wah, wah. But no big deal. I came in with a little bit of glue and I glued that one. So, and then this one here, I guess it was in the sun for a long time and it just came apart, but no big deal. And then I got 3 that were just in perfect condition. So that was a win-win. If you divide them, then that was a quarter each. So The reason why I'm leaving the tray just as is because everything is gold, so everything matches. I'm just gonna go ahead and use 2. And then the beautiful gingerbread house, I'm going to put in some white sand just to pretend that is, of course, snow. And this is it for this project, my dear friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section. For this next project, it's nice and simple. I purchased 2 of these deer. They made out of metal and it cost me $1.99. Now I have nothing in my home to match this, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it outside. And here's the second one. And of course, I'm going to be painting it with Rust-Oleum spray paint, and it is black flat paint. And it is a very sunny hot day today. I'm gonna go ahead and give it 2 coats, wait until it dries, and then this is it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Last year I went to Michael's and I purchased a couple of grab bags, and this was inside of the bag, and this was $19.99, but of course I paid pennies because there was so many things in that grab bag. I'm not gonna do nothing to it. I'm just gonna add a little bit of floral foam, some Christmas floral, and that is all I'm going to be doing to this beautiful project. Nice and simple. And my dear friends, this is a friendly reminder. Please make sure to go ahead and visit that playlist. It is down below in my description box, and you are going to get a lot more inspiration. These ladies are absolutely talented. I also want to thank every single one of you for stopping by and spending time with me. And I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section which project is your favorite. And here's the final review. I hope you enjoy it.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.